Right? Let's conclude about the bases by discussing uses of bases. Before that, let's recapitulate what we are discussed. Uh, bases. Bases are bittern test. Red litmus turns into blue litmus. They are the good conductors of electricity. And we have strong bases and weak bases. Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and bitter in taste and release OH minus ions, hydroxide ions when they dissolve in water. So according to Arrhenius acid base theory, the most common property in all the bases is hydroxide ions. So all the bases contain hydroxide ions, and based on the number of hydroxide ions released when the acids are dissolved in water, bases are classified into two types: strong bases, weak bases. Strong bases contains or release a large number of hydroxide ions, whereas weak bases release less number of hydroxide ions. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are the example for strong bases. Then calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide are the weak bases. Weak bases. Then anything, right? Then properties. We already discussed it clearly on the board. So what happens when react with the metals? What happens reacts with acids? What happens when reacts with non-metal oxides? Non-metal oxides, right? And one more, alkali. So the base which is soluble in water, the base which is soluble in water, we can called alkali. We can call alkali. So those basic solutions, or those bases are dissolved in water and form solution, they are called alkaline solutions, or simply called alkali. All the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. Right? So let's discuss uses of bases in our day-to-day life. For example, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, which is a base used in, it is used in the manufacturing of soaps. In the manufacturing of soap. So sodium hydroxide, sorry, sodium hydroxide uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide used in manufacturing of soap, right? How, then we will discuss in the next chapter. Then soap, and also used in manufacturing of an artificial fiber or synthetic fiber called rayon, called rayon. Then calcium hydroxide is also called lime water, is also called as lime water. This lime water is applied on the walls to for whitewashing. You can call whitewashing of the walls. Walls ki color వేస్తాము అందులో ఉంటుంది. And also used in manufacturing of bleaching powder, and also used in manufacturing of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is manufactured with the help of calcium hydroxide. With the help of calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, a weak base or the mild base used as a antacid. Used as a antacid. So in case if we are suffering with acidity problem, to get relief from that acidity problem, we have taken one tablet. We have taken one tablet. In the tablet, we have magnesium hydroxide, which is not harmful to us. So very useful, magnesium hydroxide. So use it as a antacid to get relief from acidic problem. Relief from acidic problem, stomach and indigestion. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Generally, it is a salt, but having some basic property. Similarly, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, they are actually salt, but they have a mild basic in nature. Mild basic in nature. This sodium carbonate used in making or used as a washing soda. Sodium carbonate used as a washing soda. Washing soda, nothing but we can call surf, detergent surf. Detergent surf. Then sodium bicarbonate, it is also called as baking soda. Baking soda in our day-to-day life, it is called in generally, it is called as soda powder. We can call it soda powder. We can call it soda powder. In generally, we can call it we can call it sola podi. Sola podi. Sola podi antaru manaki. Sola podi kalipava doshalo antaru kada. So actually it is a soda powder. Soda podi. Soda podi. Baking powder. Baking powder. When this sodium permanganate, sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with tartaric acid, right? You can call it as baking powder. You can call it as a baking powder. Baking powder used in making cakes. Sometimes this sodium bicarbonate also acts as a antacid. It also called acts as a antacid. So these are the some uses of bases. Similarly, aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide is present in we can say that um, some cleaning agents, cleaning solutions to clean the displays of computers, TVs. Alright, so in that aluminum hydroxide is present, right? Cleaning solutions. Cleaning solutions also contain base like aluminum hydroxide, right? So these are the, this is about base. This is about base. Then next we will discuss the strength of acids and bases. One of the most important concept in the chapter pH scale. We will discuss later. Thank you so much. Take care. Good night. All the best. God bless you.